Hey, it's Steve. There are indications that the OMAD diet, which is a 24-hour fasting diet, can promote potent and coordinated immunomodulating effects with the potential to be effective all by itself. There is a reduction in circulating monocytes and total lymphocytes of over 70% in multiple sclerosis patients. That's because the NLRP3 inflammasome, which I had talked about in a previous video, is involved in major steps in multiple sclerosis development. Things like initial inflammation, T-cell skewing, CNS barrier breakdown, and neurodegeneration. But 70% of the cells that cause that inflammation can be eliminated by eating just one meal a day. It's also possible that it causes an anti-inflammatory effect through the upregulation of a protein known as AMPK. It's an energy sensor that senses fluctuations in glucose availability and activates a signaling cascade that is involved in the breaking down and suppressing inflammation, which, with that fasting-induced shift from glucose to fat oxidation, AMPK represses the inflammatory response. So, eating only one meal a day is much more than just a simple diet plan. It has the ability to promote oligodendrocyte regeneration and even remyelination. Couple that with all 5 of my essential elements of multiple sclerosis recovery, and I promise, in time, you will feel yourself escaping the stranglehold of multiple sclerosis. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Until the next one.